Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews at Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have our service department. No, the 2024 Infiniti QX50 Sensory. 2023, there was a pretty good refresh, which I'll go over what was new. So 2024 is kind of a carryover year. Very, very small tweaks with some of the service programs and stuff like that. Finished here, Hermosa Blue over Graphite. Graphite, or Sensory I should say, it's gonna get you some suede, the Bose 16 speaker, Performance Series audio. Yep, all right. Sticker price here, $57,530. Very, very nice car. Under the hood, 268 horsepower, 280 pound-feet of torque from a very cool variable compression ratio turbocharged 4-cylinder. So in the world of every competitor having a 2-liter turbo 4, Infiniti took it a step further. The engine ranges from, I believe it's 8-to-1 to 16-to-1 compression ratio. I might be wrong on that. It's been a while since I've recited that fact and figure. Do get heads-up display, panoramic roof, wireless charging for 2023 came across the lineup. Every trim level had it. New shifter. Do have navigation. Auto headlights, which is nice. Gonna go into sport mode. You do get a round view monitor with moving object detection. Because the keys are in everything, gotta do this. No. Yeah, no. Heated seats, cooled seats, heated steering wheel, beautiful ambient lighting. Going to turn, there we go. Some people might not be a fan of CVT transmissions. In this application, it works well with the variable compression ratio turbo engine, so that everything's a little bit variable, so it can be a bunch of different experiences. It could be a bunch of power, or it could be, woo, a big gust of wind. Snow squall. It's 17 degrees out, so it's a little warmer than this morning. Not by much. frigid out there. Holy cow. If you want a sporty drive, you can bump the shifter back. You got paddles behind the wheel. You can work through 8 ratios of the CVT. So while yes, in fact, you're not shifting physical gears, it adds a little element of fun to it. I was gonna say, I thought you were turning that way. All in all, QX50 for the 2024 model year is largely unchanged, but that still means it's a great value proposition and a pretty fun car to spend time with. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.